Front entry doors Washington, D.C. homeowners choose should combine curb appeal, security, and long-term performance, and that is why front entry door replacement, entry door installation, and custom replacement doors remain top priorities across the city. From fiberglass entry doors and steel front doors to Washington, D.C. fiberglass front doors and Washington, D.C. custom entry doors, the right upgrade can transform the entire facade. For properties near Capitol Hill, Northwest D.C., Foggy Bottom, and DuPont Circle, front entry doors Washington, D.C. services should also include precise measurement, durable hardware, and weather-resistant finishes that support energy savings and everyday use. Washington, D.C. window replacement services are essential for homes and businesses seeking better insulation, lower utility costs, and cleaner exterior lines. Replacement windows. Washington, D.C., residential window replacement, commercial window replacement, and vinyl window replacement are especially popular for property owners looking for efficient upgrades without sacrificing style. Energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, new construction windows, and replacement windows for homes help improve comfort in every season. While Washington, D.C. energy-efficient window upgrades provide stronger performance for older houses and mixed-use buildings throughout Georgetown, Adams Morgan, Shaw, and Columbia Heights. Window and door installation should be handled by experienced window and door contractors in D.C. who understand local building styles, neighborhood requirements, and structural details. Property owners searching for front entry doors Washington, D.C. installation and replacement services can benefit from experienced professionals who prevent drafts, leaks, and alignment issues. Whether the project involves residential door installation, commercial door installation in NoMa, D.C., or D.C. residential front door installation, professional installation supports long-term performance. D.C. vinyl window installation, window repair services, door frame replacement, and insulated glass replacement also matter for long-term value. Quality workmanship supports smooth operation for awning windows, casement window replacement, and sliding glass door replacement in both historic and modern properties. Commercial properties throughout downtown Washington, D.C., Navy Yard, D.C., and other business districts benefit from commercial windows and doors that support safety, visibility, and branding. Commercial entry doors, storefront door replacement, commercial glass doors, and commercial storefront entry doors Washington, D.C. help create a polished appearance while meeting demanding traffic needs. Businesses often rely on commercial door installation in NoMa, D.C. and commercial windows and doors in downtown Washington, D.C. to improve access, reduce maintenance, and enhance energy performance. Strong entries and efficient glazing systems also support retail, office, and hospitality spaces across the district. Residential projects remain a major focus for homeowners who want dependable upgrades and attractive finishes. Residential replacement doors. Washington, D.C., residential doors in Columbia Heights, Washington, D.C., residential window replacement in Southwest Washington, D.C., and replacement front doors near Foggy Bottom, D.C. all support better security and comfort. Homeowners often ask for front door replacement in Northwest D.C., entry door services in Shaw, Washington, D.C., and door installation near Capitol Hill, D.C. when they want a modern look with reliable function. Residential door installation and replacement windows for homes can also be paired for a coordinated renovation. Sliding glass door replacement, patio door replacement, and storm door installation are smart solutions for homes that need better access, ventilation, and protection. These upgrades are especially useful in neighborhoods where outdoor living space is limited but highly valued, including Georgetown, Washington, D.C. and Navy Yard, D.C. Patio doors, storm doors, and custom replacement doors can increase usability while improving insulation and security. When paired with insulated glass replacement and energy-efficient windows, these improvements help reduce heat transfer and boost year-round comfort in Washington, D.C. homes and townhouses. Window replacement in Georgetown, Washington, D.C. requires careful attention to architectural character, especially for older row homes and historic facades. Window contractors in Adams Morgan, Washington, D.C. and window and door replacement in Navy Yard, D.C. should also prioritize fit, performance, and aesthetic consistency. Homeowners often request casement window replacement, awning windows, and double-pane windows to preserve style while improving efficiency. With residential window replacement and Washington, D.C. window replacement services, property owners can upgrade frames, glass, and hardware without losing the distinct look that makes each neighborhood unique. Washington, D.C. front entry door replacement services are especially important for homes and buildings that need stronger security, improved insulation, and standout design. Front entry doors in Washington, D.C. should be selected with attention to material, finish, and performance, whether the project calls for fiberglass entry doors, steel front doors, or custom replacement doors. D.C. residential front door installation and Washington, D.C. fiberglass front doors are often requested for their durability and low maintenance. For many properties, the right front entry door replacement also boosts resale value and creates a welcoming first impression. Businesses and homeowners alike benefit from window repair services when full replacement is not immediately necessary. Door frame replacement, insulated glass replacement, and targeted repairs can extend the life of existing systems while restoring function and appearance. In fast-moving neighborhoods like Shaw, DuPont Circle, and Foggy Bottom, prompt service from window and door contractors in D.C. can prevent small issues from becoming larger problems. Combining repairs with replacement windows, Washington, D.C. and residential door installation offers a practical path to better performance and controlled costs. Commercial and residential entry upgrades across the city demand specialized knowledge, especially for complex projects involving commercial entry doors, storefront door replacement, and commercial glass doors. Entry door installers in DuPont Circle, Washington, D.C., window replacement in Georgetown, Washington, D.C., and window and door replacement in Navy Yard, D.C. all require careful coordination and high-quality materials. Whether the need is front entry door replacement, commercial door replacement, residential replacement doors Washington, D.C., or Washington, D.C. custom entry doors, the best results come from precise installation and products designed for the demands of Washington, D.C. weather, traffic, and architecture. Front entry doors Washington, D.C. are a smart upgrade for homeowners and businesses seeking curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency. Washington, D.C. front entry door replacement services, front entry doors in Washington, D.C., Washington, D.C. custom entry doors, and Washington, D.C. fiberglass front doors help create a stronger first impression while improving insulation. Fiberglass entry doors, steel front doors, and custom replacement doors are popular choices for D.C. residential front door installation, residential door installation, and front entry door replacement in neighborhoods like Capitol Hill, Georgetown, Northwest D.C., DuPont Circle, and Foggy Bottom. Washington, D.C. window replacement services deliver lasting value with replacement windows Washington, D.C., residential window replacement, commercial window replacement, and replacement windows for homes. Energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, vinyl window replacement, new construction windows, awning windows, and casement window replacement all support lower utility costs and improved comfort. Washington, D.C. energy-efficient window upgrades, D.C. vinyl window installation, and window replacement in Georgetown, Washington, D.C. are ideal for properties needing dependable performance from trusted window contractors in Adams Morgan, Washington, D.C. and window and door contractors in D.C. Window and door installation should be handled by experienced professionals offering window and door replacement in Navy Yard, D.C., residential window replacement in Southwest Washington, D.C., and window repair services for damaged or aging openings. Insulated glass replacement, door frame replacement, and patio door replacement help restore function and appearance, while sliding glass door replacement and storm door installation add convenience and protection. Residential replacement doors Washington, D.C., residential doors in Columbia Heights, Washington, D.C., and entry door services in Shaw, Washington, D.C. are in high demand for homeowners seeking quality and style. Commercial properties benefit from commercial window replacement, commercial glass doors, commercial entry doors, storefront door replacement, and commercial storefront entry doors Washington, D.C. Businesses in downtown Washington, D.C. rely on commercial windows and doors in downtown Washington, D.C., commercial door installation in Noma, Washington, D.C., and DC commercial door replacement to maintain security and customer access. Storefront upgrades such as commercial glass doors, storefront door replacement, and commercial entry doors improve performance for retail, office, and mixed-use spaces across the district. Local expertise matters for Washington, D.C. commercial door replacement, door installation near Capitol Hill, D.C., front door replacement in Northwest D.C., replacement front doors near Foggy Bottom, D.C., and entry door installers in DuPont Circle, Washington, D.C. From residential door installation to commercial window replacement, from window contractors in Adams Morgan, Washington, D.C. to commercial windows and doors in downtown Washington, D.C., property owners need dependable service, premium materials, and precise installation. For patio door replacement, front entry door replacement, and window and door installation throughout Washington, D.C., the right solution starts with durable products, expert craftsmanship, and trusted front entry doors Washington, D.C. specialists.